Good. So what is a process simulation model? Because yeah, Giacomo has already shown a batch reactor. It's actually very similar to a real batch reactor in the lab. You just have inputs and you have reactions going on. So first input is water matrix data. It's DOC, COD levels, conductivity, your target contaminants, bromide levels, of course, very important, and things like that. pH is also in there. And then you have other things, which are your process settings. This is what you decide upon. Which ozone dose do you use? Do you use chemical dosing? For example, do you add peroxide? What are the volumes and the flow rates you are going to treat? Things like that. So this is engineering questions. The left one is actually the water matrix questions. You feed them to the process, which is also done in reality. But except from a real system, you now have also conversions going on, but they are written down in some mathematical equations. We will not go into detail. So this is the only slide showing mathematical equations in this webinar, but it's good to understand because you can see the dC over dt describes the change of a concentration as function of time. For 1,4-dioxane, for example, it is minus. This means 1,4-dioxane will start being depleted throughout time, while bromate has a plus sign, which means there is a production going on, which is written down by many chemical equations. And in the end, what comes out, just like with a real process, is the ozone decay, the removal of target contaminants, the bromate formation, disinfection, and things like that.